Hey there, little buddy. You on your first adventure? Or did you fall out of your nest? Are you okay there? You're not dead, are you? No, you're looking at me. His eyes are following me. Don't worry, that's not gonna harm. I just want to get a close-up look at it. It's just a little baby crow. It's just standing in my lawn. Oh, who's a cute crow? Oh. Oh. Does that mean you're hungry, fella? There ain't no worms around. Want some vegetation? Want some vegetation? Here you go, buddy. Some veggies. Nom nom. You gotta leave this fucker alone. Like the video, please. You too. Like the video. Please.